Hi there and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how we use the definite article the. We will first learn the most common use of this article and learn some other ways of using the definite article as well. Let's begin with the model dialogue and then we will look at how we use this article.
I have a new job.
Congratulations.
The job is related to retail.
I'm so happy for you.
First, we can use the definite article with both countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And we can use the definite article with both singular and plural nouns. And as mentioned in the previous lesson, we use the definite article with nouns when we are referring to something known to the other person. In this dialogue, when person A mentions the job in line 1, person B does not know about the job. So it's used with the article a. However, in line 3, person B knows what job person A is talking about, the new job. So person A uses the definite article the and says, the job is related to retail. So that's the main use of the definite article the. We use it when the other person knows the person or the thing we are talking about. And we use it to specify the person or thing. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. I had a job interview yesterday. The interview went well. I bought a new pair of shoes. The shoes are really comfortable. My sister has a new boyfriend. The new boyfriend seems nice. So in the first sentence, the nouns job interview, new pair of shoes, and new boyfriend are introduced with the indefinite article are or un. However, we use the definite article the when mentioning them again, as the listener now knows who or what we are talking about. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of the sentences that use the definite article the. The job is related to retail. The interview went well. The shoes are really comfortable. The new boyfriend seems nice. Great job, well done. Let's now take a look at some unique ways of using the definite article. First, we use the definite article when referring to people or objects that are unique. So we would say the sun, the CEO of Apple, the sky. Each noun refers to one unique object or a person. There is only one sun, one CEO of Apple, and one sky. So we use the in front of these nouns. Let's practice saying these phrases. Repeat after me. The sun. The CEO of Apple. The sky. That was great, well done. Another important use of the definite article is when we either know or assume there is only one of something in that place, even if that noun hasn't been mentioned before. Here are some example sentences. I am at the school. John is in the living room. Where is the toilet? In each of these sentences, we are assuming that there is only one of these nouns. So in the neighborhood, there is only one school where I could be. In the house, there is only one living room. And within the place the speaker is at, there is only one toilet. So we can use the to refer to these places. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of these sentences. I am at the school. John is in the living room. Where is the toilet? Great job, well done. Let's now do the final quiz. In the final quiz, for the first two questions, you will see short reading passages. Please read the passage and identify whether we need to use the indefinite articles are or un or the. In the last 3 questions, please identify whether the definite article is used to mark something unique or something the speaker assumes the other person knows or is present in that place. Okay, so if you're ready, let's begin the practice.
There is a red car outside the shop. There are many people in the car. The red car is in front of a blue car. The blue car is very old. I have a black bag. The bag was a present from my mother. My mother bought the bag in Japan. I like the bag, but it is very purple, so I want a new bag. The president gave a speech at the university. He is at the park. She is sitting on the chair.
Fantastic effort today. Well done. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned how to use the definite article the. We learned the most common use of this article, and we also learned 2 more useful ways of using this article. Next, we have a practice lesson. So as always, do make sure to take that lesson for more speaking practice. See you soon again. Bye bye.